How to activate Quick Share on your Samsung device. This tutorial shows you how to enable and use Quick Share to transfer files wirelessly on your Android device. First, swipe down from the top of your screen to open the Quick Settings panel. After that, swipe down again to expand the full Quick Settings menu. From there, look for the Quick Share tile and tap on it to enable it. At this point, if you don't see it in your Quick Settings, tap on the Edit button to add it. In the next step, find Quick Share from the available tiles and drag it into your Quick Settings panel. Following this, once Quick Share is enabled, your device will now be visible to nearby Samsung devices. Once done, to share a file, open your Gallery or Files app and select the file you want to send. From here, tap on Share and select Quick Share from the sharing options. At this stage, your device will scan for nearby devices with Quick Share enabled. Finally, tap on the recipient's device name from the list and they will receive a prompt to accept the file transfer. And that's it. If this Samsung guide helped you activate and use Quick Share, give it a like, subscribe for more Android tutorials, and tap the bell icon for updates.